Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for taking the time out today to be here with us. We're introducing Lemons to Lemonade. When life gives you lemons, lemons for the greater good. Our company description here at Lemons to Lemonade is that we upcycle out-of-date, damaged, and unusable fire turnouts and fire hoses into usable and stylish home accessories. Our products signify honesty and integrity of the men and women who risk their lives daily for the surrounding public. Part of the profits of each item sold here at Lemons to Lemonade will be donated to the Fire Department Burn Institution. Our vision is to be leaders in providing quality products to those wanting to honor, respect, and show loyalty to those who serve and safeguard our public. Some of the products that we have here at Lemons to Lemonade are going to be purses, bags, backpacks, belts, cozies for your beers, collars for your dogs. We even have some more specialty items such as welcome mats and chairs and benches made from the hoses that are intertwined. You can special order products as well, and we have many more products besides this that we are offering on our website. Our unique value proposition is that we're taking material that would otherwise be thrown away, that's hard to recycle, and reducing the waste and upcycling and turning it into products that are fun and useful for everyone. We will donate 10% of our proceeds to the Fire Department Burn Institution as a thank you and a gesture of your service. The market. Well, a lot of our sales here at Lemons to Lemonade are going to be online, and the e-commerce market is 10% of overall sales last year were 10% online. And the growth expected by next year's up to 14%. So with an overall total of $400 billion in sales, with Amazon and eBay taking 50% of that, $4 billion. So online sales is huge, huge, huge. If we can get our marketing and if we can get in with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, then we will be golden. Our target market here at Lemons to Lemonade is going to be people who are focused on sustainability and reducing waste and have a love for homemade products. Some of the barriers is just brand recognition and the ability to stand out and for people to kind of look up our product because it is kind of a unique niche market. Some of the competitors that we have offer similar products, but there is a lack of commitment in giving back to the community. And so that is what is going to help us stand out amongst others. Some of the strengths that we will be highlighting here is that we are going to be upcycling. We're upcycling these products that otherwise would be thrown away. There's going to be less waste in the landfills. It's super durable, so it's going to last a really, really long time, and it's new and unique. It's something people haven't seen before. Some of the weaknesses that we're expecting are just a limited variety of products until we start building our inventory. We're going to have just more of a smaller variety and at a higher price point. So homemade things take time. It's not machine made, and so we can't just pump it out. It's going to be homemade with lots of love, and it's going to be a little bit more costly. Unfamiliar people don't really know this product yet. It hasn't been introduced. It's not a huge thing. So we got to make it the next big thing. Some opportunities here at Lemons to Lemonade is that we will be donating back to our community and the firefighters and the families. And also that we are recycling, we're reducing the waste in the landfills, and we are making a difference one suit at a time. Some threats that we face are just that our online sales only, that's going to be, we have to really be diligent about our marketing strategy and some of the limited physical product sales that we're going to have, because I know me personally, I love to roam around and pick things up and touch them and feel them and see them before I purchase them. So that could be a barrier that we run into here at Lemons to Lemonade. And also just lack of marketing. Product advertisement, well, we do plan on advertising with Amazon, with social media, and Etsy, eBay. We're going to try our best to get out there and hit some local craft shows and also events that firefighters have annually. Sales forecast. Looks like our beer cozies are top of the line here. Great gift for anyone. Doesn't have to be a firefighter, and it's affordable, and it supports a great cause. Also, dog collars. Another amazing gift. It can be personalized with the name on the collar. Lots of fun. Startup expenses totaled out to be $38,160. Now this is a great cost considering it's not super high, it's not a super high risk. So we feel pretty good about this startup expenses. As you can see with this pie chart here, most of our expenses are going towards our building and maintaining the space to store these products, and also just having that contingency fund just in case of any emergencies, anything might happen. Meet the team. Here at Lemons to Lemonade, we are divided into 4 equal partners. Devin is an amazing firefighter. She is local. She works with CAL FIRE, and she has 3 girls, and she loves spending time with her family. She and Matt have started a landscaping business together, and their passion is to help people. She loves outdoors, hiking, fishing, horseback riding, taking the kids to the park, and doing other adventurous stuff with her family. Thank you so much, Devin, for your service. We really appreciate you. Chloe is a business owner who helps men and women of all ages that struggle with skin and self-esteem issues. Before starting her business, Chloe worked a number of years as a beauty consultant and at Benefit as an esthetician and medical spa. After a successful few years helping people gain confidence by providing knowledge of skincare, she now owns skincare and lash studios and employs 6 other estheticians. She also enjoys kayaking, biking, camping, hiking, and loves to try new food and drinks any chance she gets. Chloe's available for your skincare consultations, and you can reach her at chloe@luminousLashStudio.com. Jennifer Dean is 38 years young and lives in Grass Valley, California with her 9-year-old son. She owns a small catering company called Earth Cafe and hopes to open a permanent location in the Grass Valley, Nevada City area very soon. She is currently a full-time mother, student, and works catering gigs on the side. She has a certificate in herbal medicine and loves to make tinctures, salves, and other goodies in her spare time. She has helped open and manage multiple small businesses in the past and hopes to bring this knowledge to the Lemons to Lemonade. She is passionate about educating youth on healthy living and lifestyle. She looks forward to sharing yummy vegetarian food with her community and those that pass through her sweet little mountain town. Nathan Burr is a commercial insurance broker with over 15 years experience in the industry, currently employed at Aon. Due to his experience over the years working with business, he is familiar with many aspects of starting and running a business. He will bring his experience to contribute to Lemons to Lemonade's success. Nathan is married and has 4 daughters. In his free time, he enjoys traveling, spending time with his family and friends, and in the outdoors. Thank you so much for your support and your time with us here today at Lemons to Lemonade when life gives you lemons. Lemons for the greater good.